There we go. Alright, I'm here. I got spriting to do. I'm gonna start on that pretty much immediately. Or actually, first, I do need to tweet. That. Gosh dang it. Yep, once I tweet, I will start the spriting. That. Alright, there we go. That's good enough. Alright, tweet is out. And now I start the actual sprite. So, if I open a sprite, this is sort of what I had last time for like the cherry blossom things. Doesn't look the best, but it works. But yeah, I need to make individual petals for this, I guess. Just kind of looking at it and seeing. Like, I wonder what could be improved about this. I don't know. Like, should I just do this? Like, would this just be better? Eh, not really. Um, Maybe like a little darker though. Or like a darker red. That's interesting. I feel like that is almost better. I also saw that some of them have like yellow thingies instead, which could be interesting to try out. If we do this. Eh, I don't know. Kinda. Like a bit more pastel. Yeah, I don't know. I'll save a variant of this. Okay. I'll also like export that. I didn't try this out later. Alright, now to get to what the stream is actually about. I gotta animate these. So, if I just take all of this, away. Like I got this as well. Just kind of need to cut these out. I need to save this as a different sprite in a second. It's like the outline is kind of like this. Right. Okay. I think that's fine. I just need to save this as a petal. Singular petal. Alright. And all of this can just be deleted. Yeah. Alright. I kind of want to merge this down just so it's a little easier to work with. So I guess it's important this starts facing right. Because, I don't know, game maker stuff. Kind of just how GM in specific handles it. I want to make this a little pointier though. Oh, it feels justified given that it's like at this point it's off the actual flower. I guess let's just have this as like a base. We can like duplicate the layer and just take it from there. I'm gonna copy this and then just hide it. So I can make whatever modifications I want. Have it be okay, hopefully. I'm wondering if it's worth having it like tilted a little bit. Maybe something more like that. Sort of take away some of the rough edges. I think that's fine. I have to like re-outline this. That's fine. I don't know. Maybe I'll just leave it like this. We can sort of have this maybe kind of flatten out a bit. Although I do think it would be cool to have it sort of like flip over somewhat, just to give it some extra depth. Sort of like that. I think that's cool. I'm gonna reduce it a little bit. Maybe we even like do this just to help signify that it is in fact flipping. Okay. I like that except for this. Yeah, that kind of works. Though I will need to move that up a little bit. Feels a bit more correct that way. Then we can like squish this down a little more. Wonder if that's any better. That's how it is currently. Hmm. Trying to think how I'm gonna make this work. I almost feel like I should just compress this down a little bit. Oh, it's not quite the effect I wanted, but I can work with it. I think we need to have this like indent a little more visible. Maybe like move this over one. Like that. Yeah, I kind of like that. Hmm. I almost kind of like this already. Like as long as we loop that middle frame. I'd also need to add this though. And okay, I feel like the bigger part needs to be on this end. Like this, maybe? Well, I guess it's already flipped at that point, though. I feel like that's not enough in between this. Let's fix that. That would be a little better, I feel. Also just trying to gauge where to put the center bits. And okay, I need to do this, I feel. I need to actually have this be sort of the line. This needs to be like a little shorter. This looks very flat though. Yeah, I don't quite like it connecting there. Maybe this looks slightly better. Have a bit more of like a gradual turnover. I feel like that's fine. Maybe. Or if maybe this would be a bit better. I think it be more subtly turned. Then I'd need to have this. Maybe this would be better. Hmm. Maybe like this a bit more. Maybe a little bit more like back to this. Yeah, that seems a lot better. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Hmm. Yeah, I almost feel like this in of itself could be the loop. We'll see how I feel. Yeah, I mean, I just feel like this frame almost doesn't even fit. Try setting a loop. If we take an additional frame out of this loop, how does that look? That actually, that's somewhat possible. Just need to give it like a little bit, like more folding upwards here. Otherwise, I feel like that's fine. That may be a bit too much. Yeah, I feel like immersion is probably is possible. Like that's the base sprite. This is like an animated version of it after it's fallen off. I could tolerate this. I'm wondering how much space this takes up there. So it only ever goes 4 from the left. But it only ever goes 5 from the right, which is a bit annoying. Since that means it's asymmetrical, or it's uneven, the number of pixels used. Is this any better? Hmm. I can kind of accept this. It's not the best, but it does work. Well, I guess one of my main gripes right now is actually this. Since it doesn't properly join up. Like this. Hmm. I don't know. Maybe it'll look fine in game. I'm just gonna try it for now. Okay, what if I like did did this? I feel like that's. Hmm. Hmm. Like this maybe. Yeah. Yeah, I'm still kind of not sold on this. Hmm. It's difficult though because like this one comes up so far. It doesn't look right when I try to do the same here. Yeah, once again, I think I may have to just deal with this for now. See how it looks in game. Okay. I just feel like it deserves a little bit more contrast or a little bit more darkness on the line. Maybe just like this. Eh, I don't know. Oops. Okay, that looks really weird. Hmm. I'm gonna look up what a cherry blossom petal looks like on its own. Hang on. Hmm. And I need to open this again. Just so that I can copy that over. I mean, I think these are the same color, but... Okay, so that's backwards. Hmm. I feel like that's alright. And is that fine? I take another look. Oh, no. Turns out I closed Cherry Blossom that I was looking at. Oh, new playlist. Let's see. Anything else from Shibuyan? Um, sure. Let's see this. Cool. We're just gonna export this as is. Um, do the loop. Alright, and now I will be bringing up Game Maker. Oh my god. I'm really so tired. Okay. Okay. So we need to go to bullets. I just realized I didn't trim around the edges here at all. That could actually be a problem. I think that makes sense. Doesn't have to be exact. Oh, I realized you couldn't see that because it was a sprite. I didn't have a sprite active. Sorry. Alright, let's just add the sprite. Won't be able to see this either just because it's just because it's in like the sprite editor. I don't currently have that scene added in OBS. Just bear with me for a moment. Make this like 4, 4. Hello, Jinx. Thanks for coming along. I feel like this hitbox is kind of suitable. Maybe more like this. Like 6 here. Kind of want to err on the side of caution. Don't want to make the hitbox for this too big. Okay, so next I just need to change. So it's in objects. I think I have it set up currently. Oh. I have it set up currently to just use the pedal sprite, but I want to put this new one in. Yeah. Let's put that. Need to like adjust the animation speed too. See how that looks. Gonna take a little bit to load though. Just make sure I actually have the game source. Yeah, okay. There we go. I should be able to just go and look at this. Okay. Sir, I have set something wrong. Okay, but I know what I need to fix. Oh. Yeah? What you on about? It gives you dopamine. Glad to hear that. Yeah, so I'm just kind of working on a game that I have, so that's pretty much all it is. It's like a bullet hell. Ah, right, yeah. Yeah. I guess. I forget the value. I need to have like a default value to draw the middle, but I just need to turn that off. Ah, it's here. I need to set this to like 0, I think it is. Yeah, it's that link. Yeah. Yeah, it's been a long running project that I just kind of need to wrap up. Like it's literally just been kind of sitting there for like 2 years. I need to move on to newer projects, so I'm just trying to wrap it up. Streaming has been a kind of fun way to do that. Oh, the pedals don't look great. I'll have to like adjust them later. Currently they're just kind of... they're a bit too flat, I feel. Well, fair enough. Guess back to Ace Bright. I think it's cool, but it's an honest nature to see the way things can be improved. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not the best animator, but I may don't really do art, so you just see a really cool flower. Yeah, I'm glad to hear that. Okay. I just feel like I should go back to this and just see like what I had. Actually, I have this, but it's a bit cut off. Okay, so I can do that. Pedal, but it also looks like a bunny ear up close. Yeah, a little bit. I just want to see like how it would look just as is. Let's make this large. Oh. Or a hoof footprint? Yeah, a little bit. Does kind of have, yeah, because of like the notch and all that. Yeah. Yeah, it's just kind of weird to work with a singular pedal because on its own, or when it's with the others, it looks kind of like better. I don't know. I still do need to update this as well. Oh, I'm looking at a game maker thing. The middle is pretty. I'm glad you think so because that's the part that I've actually had to revise a few times. I want to see what this is like. Um, Sorry that you can't really see this. I could try and let me see if I can add the window capture for this. Oh, oh, there we go. So this is what I'm currently adjusting. It's like this. Reminds you a bit of how you used to shove your face into flowers as a kid. Nice. Yeah, it's a pedal. Indeed. Yeah, I need to adjust the hitbox. That's all this is. Oh, should be fine. Okay, it like stays on the screen there, which is kind of weird. Wow. It's gonna take a million years to compile again. Curious how that'll change how it looks. Well, I'll have to see. Hopefully it looks better. But either way, I don't know. My first attempt at animating it was kind of a failure, but oh well. I mean, honestly, yeah, it does look slightly better. It would maybe need to be a little bit flatter, but overall it's not bad though. Yeah, it definitely does pop a lot more. Just kind of the problem with the animated one. I did so much with so little. Thank you. Oh. Oh god. Okay. There is a way I could animate this just using like game maker variables. Like just changing some values. Like I think this is probably the most promising one is to just give it like a wobble. Do I currently... I wouldn't have something for that. Hang on. Oh god. my big mess of spaghetti code. Ugh. The balance thing, because the whole flower looks great. The petals look less wispy. Yeah, definitely. Now they have like a slight wobble. It's not super visible. Interesting. Could just quickly try that a bit more. Just need to increase this. Yeah, they're a bit more like windy looking. It's cool. Like I don't know, I definitely want them to have like a bit more of like, you know, pedal movement rather than just kind of arcing. It's very difficult. For now that's alright though, I guess. Yeah, alright. Probably gonna end stream there, just cause, you know, I'm kinda tired, to be honest. Yeah, I wasn't really planning to stream too long, but yeah, thanks for coming along. Let's see if there's anyone else in software and game development I can raid. It was nice. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Okay. This person seems interesting. Going to be raiding Meisaka. So I don't know anything about this person, but they're doing programming stuff, so yeah. If I have a friend to promote. Yeah, not really a friend to promote, but you know, just someone in the same category. Might as well. But yeah. Thanks for watching and all that. I typically stream on Saturday and Sundays as well for anyone who's interested. But yeah, I'll be heading out. Goodbye.